Hello students, I am Ankur Khandelwal, your maths teacher. Now we are coming with a solution of exercise 1.4. In the previous exercise, we have understood the concept of union, intersection and difference of two sets. Now in this video, we will be applying it. So the first question is based on union of the following sets. We need to find solve all the 5 questions. So the first question, what we do in union we write elements of the first element and as well as elements of the second set, and writing the common element only once. So so in the first question we have x union y is first I will write 135. Now 1 I have already written, 3 I have already written, so what is left? 2. So x union y of the first is 2. Now second part is we have to find the union. What I always do, I generally, this is A and this is B, sorry. I first write the first set complete. Now common element I am cutting. What is left? B and C that I am writing. Order is not important, right? Third question. X is a natural number and it is a multiple of 3. So this set will have 3, 6, 9, 12, comma, dash, dash, dash. Now second, x is a natural number less than 6. So इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? Less than 6 है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is the union of these two? So you can easily say, sir, union हो जाएगा इसका A union B equal to, first I am writing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो 3 हो गया है हमारा, राइट? जो एलिमेंट हो गया उसे मैंने कट किया. कट क्यों किया? बिकॉज आई विल बी राइटिंग इट ओनली वंस. तो एक बार लिख चुका हूं ना, अब आगे के 6, 9, 12, dash, 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 dash. Now next, x is a natural number between 1 and 6. तो अगर आप इस सेट को लिखोगे, फोर्थ वाले सेट को, तो फोर्थ में a होगा आपका 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 पे इंक्लूडेड नहीं था तो 1 नहीं लिखा है. 6 पे इक्वल टू का साइन है, I have written 6. We have to write only natural number. Now second, x is a natural number between 6 and 10. Both are excluded, equal to का साइन नहीं है. So B is 7, 8, 9. So what is union? Union you can say, sir, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं था तो सभी लिख दिया हमने. Now we have two sets, set A and set B. Set B तो empty set है. Empty set में we have no elements. So we write it as fifth part A union B equal to 1, 2, 3. Because 5 के साथ कोई difference नहीं आता, right? Okay. Now we have second question. Second question of exercise 1.4. Set A and set B we have. We need to check is A is a subset of B. This is a sign of subset. And what is A union B? So whenever we say A is a subset of B, this is only possible when all elements of A are the elements of B. Now you see, elements of A are 1, A comma B. These elements are also elements of B. So we can say all elements of A are the elements of B. So we'll say yes, A is a subset of B. Now what is A union B? A union B. So you can easily say A union B equal to B. Remember our Venn diagram also. Whenever we write a subset, universal set, A is a subset of B. This is A, this is B. Whenever we have A is a subset of B and we need to find union, we can easily find the common reason is this. So this will always be B when A is a subset of B. This is what our next question is asking. If A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, what is A and B? This is B. Now you can ask, sir, what is the reason? Reason I have explained here. ये तो reason है, Venn diagram से बताया ना. Here I have not taken any example. This is my example, but this is not my example. Okay. Now we have next question, question number 4. In this question, we need to find union of two sets or more than two sets as written here. ये 4 sets ABCD are given. Union simple definition. We'll write elements of A, elements of B, common elements written once. तो A union B में क्या लिखेंगे? First I will write A 1 2 3 4. अब देखो 3 और 4 तो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, तो बचा क्या है? 5 और 6. Second A union C. A union C में again first I will write A. I have written all the element. Now C में देखो कुछ कॉमन है क्या? No. So we'll write remaining. B union C. B union C में देखो और these elements are common. So common elements are written once. So 5 और 6 एक बार लिखोगे आपस. B union D. B union D में क्या आएगा देखना. This is B, this is D. Nothing is common, so we'll write all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All elements are there. So these are combination of 2. Now whenever 3 sets with the union sign are given, what to do? You can either find A union B first, then find union C, or you find B union C first, then find A. In any order you can solve. I am solving it by writing it as A union B union C. There should be no confusion. सर आपने ऐसा क्यों लिखा है? अरे आप ऐसा लिख दो. A union B union C. You will get the same answer. Either you can solve it directly also, right? चलो A union B क्या होगा? What is A union B? You have already written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is C? 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 को only once you will write, and 7, 8. Likewise, इन दोनों में से I will be solving only one. एक आप कर लेना solve, या तो इसको करते हैं. 7 B union C union D. इस टाइप में क्या कर रहा हूँ? लास्ट के दो को लिख रहा हूँ. So what is C union D? C union D हमने लिखा है क्या? नहीं निकाला, तो हमें निकालना पड़ेगा. C union D क्या हो जाएगा? 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8 को 1 times 9, 10. What is B? 3, 4, 5, 6. So this can be written as 3, 4, 5, 6. एक ही बार लिखूंगा मैं. I will be writing it once only. So this is the solution of question number. Now in question number 5 they are telling for the same question find intersection, right? Intersection mein we only write the common elements. So what I have done here, I have written only 2 parts. सारे में intersection के sign कर देना है. So I have written only 2 parts. Remaining we will solve by understanding these questions. Intersection A, intersection B. Anything common in A and B? Yes, you can say sir 3 and 4 are common. 3 and 4 are common, so you can say A intersection B is 3, 4. Now A intersection B intersection D. I have told दोनों साइड अगर सेम है, so you can use bracket with any two. तो suppose मैं first two के साथ bracket use करता हूँ. So what is A intersection B? अभी निकाला मैंने. This is 3, 4. Intersection D is 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see nothing is common in these two. So intersection is 5. I hope this question is clear. Solve the remaining parts. You will be having better understanding of the question. Now question number 6. Here 4 sets are given. Now I have taken few parts of that question which might be difficult for you. And easy questions I have not taken. By understanding the solution of these 3, you can easily solve the remaining part. Now first is you have to find the intersection A intersection C intersection D. मैंने बोला दोनों intersection के साइन है, so you can solve any two first. Suppose मैं A और C को first solve करता हूँ. ब्रैकेट में अपने मन से लगाए, no problem should be there. A और C, what is common in A and C? When you see anything is common, you can say 11 is common. 11 is common in A and C. Only one element. So A intersection C will be 11. Intersection D, D is 15, 17. Now 15, 17 और 11 में कुछ common लेके anything is common, you will say no. So the answer will be 5. Here union and intersection both signs are there. Now when both signs are there, their bracket they have written. We cannot apply bracket by ourselves. यहाँ पे दोनों intersection थे या दोनों union होंगे, then we can apply bracket by ourselves. Otherwise they will give brackets. So now we'll first solve B union C and we'll write A as it is. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 intersection B union C. B union C will be what beta? B union C will be 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Obviously 11, 13 common है, so we'll write it once. Now what is intersection sign? क्या बोलता है? Common. Is there anything common in these two? So you can say, sir, 7, 9, 11 are common. So answer is 7, 9, 11. Now next is ninth. Ninth part I have taken here. In the ninth part, you have to first find A intersection B, B union C, and then intersection of these two. So what is A intersection B? What is common in A and B? Just see. A और B में कुछ common है क्या? So you can say, sir, 7, 9, 11 is common in both. A intersection B is 7, 9, 11. What is B union C? B union C means elements of B and C both. अभी लिखा था हमने B union C. This is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So now I will apply in between these two intersection sign. इन दोनों के बीच में intersection लेना है. 7, 9, 11 is common. Intersection means common. So answer is 7, 9, 11. So by following step by step, you can easily solve this question. So by solving these three questions, I think the concept of intersection and union is clear. And if it is not clear, then watch the video again and solve the question. Now I have not taken question number 7 just because the only difference was that was in set holder form. Remaining intersection and union we have already discussed. You solve it, and if you further want it, write on the comment box. I will definitely solve it. Question number 8. Which of the following are disjoint sets? Disjoint sets का simple सा meaning क्या होता है? सबसे पहले intersection is 5. If intersection of two sets is 5, then these two sets are disjoint sets. So we will find the intersection. The first set is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Second set x is the natural number and x is in between 4 to 6. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4, 5, 6. Now anything common here? Yes, you can say 4 is common. A intersection B. If I name it as A and B, इसको मैंने A बोला, ये B है. This is you are getting as 4. That is not equal to 5. So not disjoint set. Sets. Now next, anything common? You say intersection is 5 means it is a disjoint set. Third, x is an even, x is an odd. Even number और odd number में कुछ common हो सकता है क्या? Nothing can be common. So we'll say their intersection is again 5. So we can say disjoint set. ये क्या होगा? Disjoint set. Right. Now next question is we have to find means difference of two sets are here. Now how to calculate difference? जैसे मुझे निकालना है a minus b. So a minus b means all elements of A which are not the elements of B. Common elements निकालना है हमें. इसमें से left वाले side से A से. So a minus b में हम क्या लिखेंगे? A के elements देखो. क्या B के कुछ elements हैं क्या यहाँ पे? 4 is there? No. 8 is there? No. 12 yes 12 एक common है. 16 23 एक element common है. So a minus b में जो common वाला element A में है उसको आप नहीं लिखेंगे. So you write 3, 6, 9, 15, 20, 21. You can simply say हम A में से माइनस कर रहे हैं कौन से एलिमेंट्स? इंटरसेक्शन. A intersection. This is like this. A में से माइनस कर रहे हैं A intersection. Okay. Now next is A minus C. तो A minus C में आप A और C में कॉमन देखो. A और C में कॉमन क्या है? 2, 4, 6. 6 is common, 8, 9, 10, 12 is common, 14, 16, 4. Two elements are common. So A minus C क्या हो जाएगा? A में से वो दोनों elements मत लिखो आप. You just write the remaining elements. Are you getting or not? Similarly, we can do these questions also. जैसे मुझे सपोज मैं c माइनस ए लिखता हूँ, अभी a माइनस सी करा ना, अब c माइनस ए लिखो। c के एलिमेंट कॉमन वाले नहीं लिखना है, ये दोनों नहीं लिखना है। 2 4 6 नहीं लिखेंगे, 8 कॉमन एलिमेंट्स विल नॉट राइट। 14 16। अच्छा, यू कैन आल्सो सी a माइनस सी और c माइनस ए इक्वल नहीं है, राइट? तो ये क्लियर होना चाहिए, डिफरेंस में ऑर्डर मैटर करता है। नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट d माइनस ए, d माइनस ए देखो इसके एलिमेंट्स इसमें है क्या, 5 10 15 20 और 15 है, 15 वाला एलिमेंट है और कुछ नहीं है। सो वी कैन राइट 5 10 and 20, remaining we can solve similarly, right? So difference is clear to all of you. देखो वेन डायग्राम से भी समझ लो, जैसे अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ a और b दो सेट है, दिस इज a दिस इज b, डिफरेंस मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया है। तो a माइनस b का मतलब होता है सिर्फ a के एलिमेंट, कॉमन वाले नहीं लिखते। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज R is a set of real number. Real numbers क्या होते हैं? The combination of rational and irrational is real. S is a set of irrational number. So what is R minus Q? देखो बेटा, माइनस का मतलब है कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हटाना है। Now R real number क्या बोलता है? Real number बोलता है rational plus irrational. Now rational क्या बोल रहा है? Rational तो rational ही बोलेगा, it is rational. So when you would write R minus Q, is Q, R minus Q तो जो कॉमन है उसे नहीं लिखोगे, तो बचा क्या? irrational, राइट? तो कॉमन किसमें नहीं लिखते? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में। So answer is irrational, the set of irrational numbers. Now the last question, question number 12 is of disjoint set, true and false. Disjoint I have already discussed. If intersection is phi, disjoint है, intersection phi नहीं है तो disjoint नहीं है, तो आप आराम से उसे solve कर लेंगे। Okay. Now one more thing, complement of a set has been removed from this year's syllabus, right? So I will not be taking the video, I will not be shooting the video of complement of a set. Means exercise 1.5 will not do. We will directly come to exercise 1.6.